Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna do a little bit of shooting. We're only shooting at 7 yards. I don't know if you're able to tell what my target is. Here's my target right here. Again, we're only shooting at 7 yards. Most self-defense scenarios only are about 7 to 10 yards. So, you know, that's as long as you can hit the target at 7 to 10 yards, you're doing something. As you hit the target, you can start working your groups closer. Again, I'm new to shooting. I've only been shooting for maybe 3 years. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this. It's gonna be kind of loud. So just letting y'all know. And again, we're gonna take our time. We got 10 rounds on target. We're gonna take our time with these shots, try to keep them on target. And yeah, and I am a trained professional. I do have a CCW, so if you're underage, please do not do this at home unless you are with an 18-year-old or older adult. So hope y'all enjoy this. So let's go ahead and get at it. Again, Glock 43X Gen 4. Make sure we're hot. Yep, we're hot. All right, here we go. Let's go see how we did, y'all. So, again, I'm not a perfect shot, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We flew one off. So again, I'm not perfect, but they're on the target. That's all that matters. So, I appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned. We'll have more shooting videos coming your way.